Yeah, ladies, sir, don't use my name for look no friend from the gay community. Move and go look a friend, go look friend from the gay community on your own. Don't use my name. Fire burn you. You dance with the devil and come and go on like you love God. You don't love God. Fire burn you again. Don't use my name look no friend from the gay community, ladies, sir. If you look friend from the gay community, go and go look friend from the gay community. Don't use Queen Ifrica name. You're out order. You're very out order and you confirm in my head say you're not good. If I did a doubt me have say you're not good, you confirm to me say you're not good, miss. Because what you need for God do, I just go accept the truth when me tell you. Go know God for true. You don't know God for true. You want to use God for make money, not for no time, so. Use God for make money. Go know God, ladies, sir.
Welcome to Lion TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings. Good morning, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, lion and lioness. Give thanks to life Friday morning, you know, sir. Praises be to the Most High, Selassie, Joe. Rastafari, ever live it ever rain, you know. Yes, man, my viewers and say, I run late, you know, but quick reasoning that morning, you know. Big up on yourself, my fellow Jamaicans. You know, the crime has stepped up again. Especially in a mobile, we see it has risen again, another double murder. All of them sitting there, you see me? But anyway, come to talk about this double standard business here in Jamaica. You know what I mean? They're lion foot, you know, the man of peace, you know. It's a slow the base, you know, I'm kind of late, you know. But if I do this now, I'm going to get the meditation on my mind. I'm going to deliver it, you see me? Anyway, I will leave a love and big up the whole Jamaica, see? The whole universe. So, by the way, I watch this right now. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, hit the bell. Anyway, you see, I think I'm going with Queen Ifrica. Big up yourself, mama. You know, ladies, sir. Why not leave Marion all alone? You just try drag the woman to come out of church. If turn back. Then you start. You don't want to say she turn back, no. Then you start cuss her more and trouble her more. Big up ladies, sir. Ladies, sir, Queen Ifrica, I've met both of them. Zine, I met ladies, sir. Met ladies, sir, Mandeville. Zine, I met ladies, sir. A Mandeville. I mean, a youth. She do a show a Mandeville and she skin out the buff. And kind of she raw. Slack. And she give me a bit of money and she give me a 5 bills because I'm there right at the front of the stage. You see me? Big up ladies, sir. Met ladies, sir, again when we do a rehearsal, a mixing lab. The same time I'm telling you, busy signal. Style me, shame me. After me go there and say, honor for meet you. Zine. And then the man look for me, and the road manager look for me and say, I apologize and say, easy, man, I feel away. Ladies are cuss. Brigger, Sean Paul, road manager, come out and a cuss. We talk all of them things already on the platform. See? Big myself, busy signal, see you win. Still I respect you and acknowledge you for the work you've done in a dancehall and reggae. See? Met Queen Ifrica 2009, 10 through Abajanai. Brought me, introduced me to them, brought me at the house, the studio, you know, Tony Rebel and all of them. That's when I'm going to start eat live food. Tony Rebel have a white chef. You see me? So I respect everybody. What may I say? I'm just focus on music and focus on what's going on in the country because a whole heap of things are going on. And we are fight against one another and segregate one another. While we should not focus and try to put pressure upon Andrew Wallace and the rest of the government, then we are deceive the people. And everybody wants trouble. Why not trouble ladies, sir? And this double standard about gay and this LGBT. Gay people exist in Jamaica. From before we born it there. Enough of them get beat, enough of them dead, enough of them run away, burn up this and that, perhaps not. People still have turned gay, people still have born gay. People born that way. We in a time now where we have to just love people, make them live them life. And like the early 80s were wicked. Right now, so we see gay people have become free now and comfortable certain way at Jamaica and the rest of the world. We're in our first world country, we see it every day in our eyes. Enough of the artists that work with gay people. But you still in my bonfire. Double standard. I want to feel them people want to work with, want to hide and work with, where I do no makeup and make no clothes. A tour we do no, and then we come out of bonfire and then behind closed door, I par with them and them thing there. You see me? 2018, when I get my local buzz in the music business, you know, and some of the media all let them call me to come host show and interview and them thing there. I put up my experience them thing there. Makeup and get put on for me and yeah people. You see me? I not just know it's a life. The higher we go in the music business, we're gonna meet them people because enough of them associate in the business. And then we come out on a bonfire and trouble them. See? So this double standard business, stop man, you see it. Big up Queen Ifrica. Hello ladies sir, I want to say ladies sir. Morning.
Good morning.
I want to say ladies sir. Turn back and then start costume and say, you see it? Turn back, turn back. Nah man, what do you want to? Hello. You see me? No, the woman man. Focus on what I go, right thing man. Pray nice thing, big up yourself, ladies sir, big up yourself. Lion foot, you know. Yeah man, big up Queen Ifrica, big up Sunshine too, you know, because I know I met Sunshine 2013. Yeah, she come at Tavares Garden come play, you know. Haile Selassie High School. You see me? Yeah man, and introduce myself to her, she knows I'm an artist and she said yeah, she know the name man. You see me? Big up Sunshine. A long time we hear the rumors about her lifestyle. But you don't know, I have not point no finger because I don't know, I don't have a clue, but we hear it out there in the street, but yo, you see we Jamaicans, we're different, you know. Some of us because we make things bad way. Enough of us full of double standard, enough of us two-faced, inconsiderate, you see me? And we are saying no. Yeah man, if you just live in love man, big up Queen Ifrica, big up Lady Star, hello Lady Star man, we see all Macadam and I get involved now and all of them things there, you see me? Enough things we hear out there in the street, we are true, I hear enough things, you know what I mean? As I say, I saw music stay, gossip, and people business, everybody know everybody business. You see me? But we all work, we all associate around gay people. You know, and enough of the artists them work with them. Enough of them hide and work with them. You see me? Enough of them hide and work with them and then come out a bonfire. You see me? As I say, 2023 now, on a 1985 or 1990. You see me? Live and let others live, man. You see me? I say, live and let others live. Live your life. Remember a song I dropped to you, know. When we drop this, remember me telling them, I'm going to shoot a like video too. You see me? I'm surprised enough for them. I know for them go and say, yeah, lion foot, no straight man, lion foot this and lion foot that. You see me? You are living a Marion day now and age. Live and let others live. You see me? Some people were born that way. You see me? Yeah man. Peace and love with someone. Big up on yourself. Right now, get the mindset now for work. Yeah, so I say, big up Queen Ifrica, big up Lady Star, big up Lazy Sunshine. You see me? Big up everybody man. I love and peace man. Why we can't live with love and peace? Why we have to try to tear down one another? Queen Ifrica just play some music now and sing about what going on with the Jamaica and the politician and the poverty and the crime. What happened? We now sing the song again. Hey, my EP drop, you know. Welcome to Kingston, you know. We are talking about all of those issues, you know. So make sure you support it, you know. And give me a run, man. Give me a run and see where we can go on with. See if you want it one day, I'm not ready for it. You see me? Don't stifle me. Stop holding me back, man. You see me? Stop holding me back. I hear man pan, God make me hear man pan the phone and start to say, yo, then now boss me because I have a big of a family, I'm alright. And somebody I'm close to. But God reveal it in due time for me. Ear out of the ass's mouth. So I saw a life, man. A life settings. Big up on yourself. I'm out. Nah. Stay safe.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.